Hello from Tom the Squirrel Whisperer. This is my review and video evaluation for the JETech wireless keyboard. The wireless keyboard comes with a dongle so that you can plug the dongle into a USB port. It's a smaller keyboard. It's about 11 inches long by about 4 inches high. This can be used with any device that has a standard USB-A outlet. Requires 2 AAA batteries, off-on switch on the back. Will not go USB without the dongle. I purchased it intentionally with the dongle so that I could use it with my Android TV set box. It works extremely well with the Android TV set box. It paired immediately with itself. There was no setup software, nothing needed at all. Just plugged the dongle to the back of the USB port on my Android set box and immediately started typing. And what I typed appeared on the screen. So for the JETech wireless keyboard, it worked exactly as I needed it to work. For Tom the Squirrel Whisperer, a full 5 squirrel up rating. I hope that you got to see what you needed to see as we demonstrated it. Thank you for watching. Full 5 squirrel up rating from Tom the Squirrel Whisperer.